So I know you know there's something different about me. First of all, I just want to say every milestone that we hit as a channel, I have to be thankful. I hit 200 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers, and to celebrate 200 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Stay tuned to the end and you'll know what the giveaway is about. Or you can do what I do when people say that, skip all the way to the end, see what the giveaway is about, and then click off the video. Either way I get views, so take your pick. So the other day, I had some musty dusty lashes that I stole off a friend, yeah, and they were getting crispy. And I was like, okay, well, I've been using these lashes that I stole off her from March all the way till now, so I bitch need to get some new lashes. Lashes are the staple of every makeup look, whether you're a girl, boy, whatever you identify as. If you wear makeup, baby girl, you need lashes. Don't come to me with no volumizing mascara. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that they're not fake. No, I can believe that they're not fake, because they look like little spider legs. If you wear makeup, you wear lashes. If you wear makeup and you don't wear lashes, I will pray for you, and hopefully the giveaway can change that. Anywho, so I put on my Snapchat, I was like, oh, does anybody know any lash brands? Quite a few different girls popped up like, oh, KMZ lashes, TT baby girl lashes, my friend does lashes. And I was like, okay. Then one of my friends popped up and she was like, there's this brand, it's called Boss Baby Lashes. And I was like, okay. They had a whole Instagram page, TikToks, it looks so professional. And I was like, whoa, this is dope. The page itself was just enticing. So I started to look at all the lashes, and they were like 5D mink lashes or 3D, whatever. I'm not a lash guru, okay? I'm trying. But I was looking and the lashes were like, So I messaged the owner of Boss Baby, like, hi, I've got a YouTube channel. I love your lashes. Is it possible for us to do like a collab? She got back to me. She was so lovely. She was like, yeah, of course. She gave me a discount code. She's also giving me a discount code for you guys, which will be at the end of this video. We basically got talking and she told me a range of different things about the company. It's black owned, so obviously I've got to support my sisters. It's cruelty free. Every product that they make is vegan. All the information that needs to be known will be in the description box below. The lashes, the company, everything about it was pristine and perfect. So I was like, what's gonna stop me from buying the lashes? So what did I do? Baby girl, I bought the lashes. Baby girl, I bought the lashes. I bought too much. And that's basically why I'll be doing a giveaway. I'm not giving away stuff that I've already opened. Everything that I'll be giving away is sealed, not touched. I'm not a freak. First of all, let's just start off with the lashes that I'm wearing right now. Let me just get a little close up for you. These lashes right here, let's start off with the packaging. That is so professional. I've bought lashes off other people and it's just been like lashes in a container, but this, my gosh, got the name on the back. I'm wearing the Baddie Lashes by Boss Baby Lashes. Oh my gosh. When I put these on, look at the lash. Look at the lash. Sorry, who are you? I felt like a baddie. Like, I looked in the mirror and I was like, bitch, is it? No. When you open up the packaging, you've got this really cute marbly print, got the sparkle, you've got like a little brush, you've got a little mirror in there as well. I don't know how much they are individually because I bought a bundle. So I bought I think it was the Boss Baby bundle. Some big ass bundle. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't the cheapest. But was it worth it? Oh, hell yes. The next pair of lashes that I've also got are, I see, these are the ones that I'm doing a giveaway for. These ones are called Bambi. I love the name, but the lash is not for me. It's a very beautiful lash, but it's just for me. I'm more of a wide wings type of girl. These just seem a little bit too soft on my face. I like it that when I wear lashes, you can tell I'm wearing lashes. I don't like to take risks when it comes to things. These will be a part of the giveaway. They're cute though, they're cute. Oh, I love these lashes. I can't stop looking at them. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet. I can't decide which lashes I'm gonna give away. This might turn into a I don't give away. How can I choose? I'm gonna give away these ones. I don't know how she comes up with the names. I'm gonna keep Bossy because if you know me, I'm bossy. I'm giving away Coco and Bambi. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is follow me on Instagram, follow Boss Baby Lashes on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and share this video on your Snapchat story. Do all of those things and you'll get entered into the giveaway. You have to send me proof, obviously I'm not a buffoon. Then I will enter your name into a prize draw. It will be randomly selected. I will not be biased. My good friends, I'm not gonna be like, you know what, I'm just doing this for fun, girl. Here's the lashes. Enter the draw. If you win, you get the lashes. If you don't, you don't get the lashes. Another thing that came in the package, everything was so adorable. They all came with this little sticker on the back. Thank you with a heart, sign off. And she also makes lip balms. So she's got Boss Baby lip balms. This product is vegan, organic, and homemade with love. Ingredients: mica powder, cocoa butter, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, lavender extract, and beeswax. First of all, let me tell you, it smells like lavender and it is so soft on the lips. I've got it on my lips right now. One thing I would say that I've had to do is kind of warm it up, because at first it didn't want to go onto my lips. I had to like scrape it out originally, but oh, when I tell you, ladies, gentlemen, whoever gets to feel your lips, when they feel this, they're gonna want to feel more. You get so much product. Like, look at that. It's this thick and the whole package is filled with the lip balm. It smells and feels so good. I'm also giving away lip balm. Oh no, this one's a different color. I don't know what it is though. This one's more, gives it a bit more sheen. What my lips look like. I need to see my lips. Ooh, that has a bit more of a shine to it. When I've got makeup on, I like to wear gloss. When I'm doing my makeup, I like to put on a balm so that obviously my lips aren't dry when I put on the gloss. So when I was doing my makeup, I had one of the balms on and literally my lips stayed moisturized the whole time. Normally when I use certain balms, halfway through my makeup, I've got to reapply. I did not have to do that with this balm. The way that it feels so soft on the lips, it adds a really nice natural sheen. For makeup purposes, I'd much rather wear lip gloss, but for everyday use, which I don't wear makeup every day. I know you're shocked because you're looking at my YouTube and you're thinking, all I'm seeing is glam, glam, glam. But every day, maybe this is a mask. A lip balm and a little bit of face cream is my go-to. Highly recommend grabbing the balms. I will also be giving away 2 balms. That's what the giveaway is. There's gonna be 3 winners for the giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away 2 pairs of lashes and the lip balm. So you'll either win a pair of lashes, or a lip balm. I'm like 90% sure. I could completely change it before or after this video ends, but I'm thinking lash giveaway, balm giveaway. So obviously I'm gonna try on the other lashes that I'm keeping. I'm trying on. If you want a lash try on haul, I will buy more lashes. I'll do lash reviews of other companies as well. You can never have too many lashes. Okay, so let's just watch me rip off my lash then, shall we? Ooh. Like, do you see how much of a difference lashes make? Whoa! Did I stick the lashes on the wrong way around? Nah, this is actually embarrassing. I was looking back in the rearview mirror. I was like, sis, you do be looking a little bit wild. These are Bossy. I'm not gonna lie, I prefer the other pair I was wearing previously, but I do like them. They're cute. They're just like a little, not really natural, but a little bit less wham in your face, fans. Wings are made to fly by a little mix. To wrap up this video, I'm going to give you all the information that you need to make sure that you support this Black-owned business. Everything that's been going on lately, people are seeming to forget the whole Black Lives Matter movement, the whole promoting Black businesses, small businesses that we can try help grow. And if that's something that you're about, this is your opportunity. Boss Baby Cosmetics, it's great. They even have Klarna, which is a madness. Like, if you don't know what Klarna is, it's basically when you can buy stuff now, pay later, or pay in installments. So let's say, for example, the bundle that I bought, so you get, I think, 2 pairs of lashes, 2 lip glosses, because I also do lip glosses as well. If you don't want to pay that, that's fine. Klarna, you don't have to worry about, oh, you know, they seem a bit pricey, because they're genuinely not. And if that's how you feel, on top of the Klarna, you've also got my discount code, which is Haddy15XX, for you to get 15% off. Is Haddy15, that's HADDY 15XX. I guess that's it, to be honest. If you like free stuff, apply for the giveaway. This is what you gotta do to join my giveaway. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, follow Boss Baby Cosmetics Instagram, share this video on your Snapchat story, your Instagram story, Facebook, whatever. Just share it on some type of social media platform. Send me a screenshot of all that proof. Send it to me on any of my socials. Once I get that proof, I will take your name, put your name into a random generator, and I will select you for either a pair of lashes or the 2 lip balms. If you like free stuff, hop on it. If you don't like free stuff, I can't force you. Even if you're a boy, okay, you're watching this video, well, you're not watching this video, but you should have watched this video. So let's talk to the boys that hypothetically watched the video. Your girl, you know your girl wears lashes. You know that she's always like, baby, what do you think? Because, you know, she's showing you her lashes, you know, flicking them in your face. Get your girl a pair of free lashes. You could be that man. Do you know how gassed your girl would be if you came like, here's a pair of lashes. She might just forget how to act. If you slap a pair of these on her toes, you go, baby. Just like that, she might fall in love. Even if you give her the balms, you know, baby girl, your lips have been looking a little bit chapped lately. Lip balms. There's really no reason for anybody not to join this giveaway. And if you just want to purchase any of the products that I've mentioned, or you want to look into more into Boss Baby Cosmetics, all the links will be down below. Once again, the promo code for 15% off anything on the website is Haddy15XX. So I hope you like this video. This video means a lot to me. It's my first ever promotion of a brand. I enjoy doing these types of things. If you are a small business and you'd like me to promote you, I am more than happy to work with you. Send me a DM, comment it down below. If you'd like me to promote any of your stuff, give an honest review. I'm not a liar, okay? If I didn't like these lashes, I wouldn't have made the video. I'm not getting paid to make this video. We ain't there yet, sweetheart. We will get there eventually, but we're not there yet. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've done a lot of talking. Once again, thank you so much for 200 subscribers. We're making moves. We're hitting milestones, and keep on watching, because the more you watch, the more stuff's coming your way. See you next time. Bye. I'm so hungry.
Coochie and be making it swell, trying to hide the smell of the sack, praying on a Chanel.